Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to share a tweet on Twitter app step by step. First, go to Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the tweet icon. Here is the part where you share your tweets. You can write any opinion of you on the blank. Beside that, you can share a photo by picking from your gallery or using your camera. Or you can share a gift. After you decide what you want to share, tap on the tweet button on the top right corner. Thus, the process of sharing a tweet on Twitter app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.